Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a multifamily residence that presents countless opportunities. You can live while collecting rent, occupy with your extended family, or transform this property and go aggressively after the thriving short-term Airbnb market in the area. Built in the year 2000 and located at Reid's Drive in Tower Isle, St. Mary. This two-floor house comes with 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, inclusive of helpers' quarters, 2 kitchens, 2 living rooms, 2 dining rooms, 2 storage areas, 2 washrooms, double car garage, parking for additional 6 cars, concrete water storage tank, and 3 balconies for you to enjoy the sea views. Sitting on 0.32 acres, this home is only 10 minutes from the Ian Flemings International Airport, 7 minutes from the Rio Nuevo Beach, and 10 minutes to Ocho Rios Town Center where everything happens. Call today to schedule a viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85.5 million, US 541.9 thousand, Canadian 775.7 thousand, or 421.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.